Okay guys, the topic of this part is having PBR materials in SketchUp and at the end rendering. First of all, we need to be here in this website, polygon.com, which is one of the websites which we can download PBR materials from it. Here in this section, texture, we have a free part which contains all of the free materials and we can download them. I need some wooden materials in my model, so I can use this one. And I can also have this one. I can use it for the floor. Here I can change its resolution. And here I can select the type of the maps which I need them. And at the end I can download it. After downloading the materials, you can have them here in this section, in this folder. And now it's time to have them in SketchUp. As you know, first of all, we need to group the parts which we want to assign the material on them. We have this object as an instance, it's grouped, and we want to create a new material right here. Create asset, material, and generic. In diffuse, I should select the map which is related to the color. And after that, we have reflection. And in reflection color, we can have the map which is related to the color. Here, reflection color, this one. And after that, reflection glossiness has its own. I'm looking for it. This one. And here again. And I change the bump to normal map. Then I need to have the map which is related to the normal map. Okay. To be able to have the displacement here, before everything we need to consider a name for the material which we made. And it's here. Here I select apply to selection. And if the dimensions are not okay, here you can control them. You can have edits in material. You can make it bigger. Okay, so far we could apply a couple of maps. For having displacement, we need to select the object. And then here I choose add displacement to selection. It's selected as you can see, and here again Viro Asset Editor. Here at the bottom, displacement is added, which now it's time to add the map which is related to the displacement. After that, it will be added here. And here in this section, I can control the amount. And if I want to show it to you in rendering, I can activate Render Interactive. And let's have a good view. Now we can have it. These sections which are like this are because of the displacement, but when you want to have it for the floors or somewhere else, these problems will be solved. Don't worry about it. When I decrease the amount of displacement of this will decrease. As it's visible in the scene, you can control it to have your desired amount as you like. Like this. When we return here in our own material, we can deactivate the bump. In this way, the shadows which are over the material will disappear. That was the way which we could have PBR materials for different surfaces. In next part, we will learn, after having PBR materials, how we can control artificial and natural lights.